Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy JD. I recently got a new phone, and that's what I'm recording on. I have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and it is an awesome phone. I can't say the same so much for 5G data speeds. I'm on T-Mobile, but it doesn't matter. The phone is freaking awesome. But back to this. This is my new project. This is my old phone. Um, it's freaking terrible. This is the back glass. I tried taking it apart carefully, mind you, and it just broke in half. Um, a really quick tip: if you are able to get like when you're taking this glass off and you see this little black tape that surrounds it, just yank it out from underneath the edges, and then the whole back glass will just come off. So I'll be right back. All right, so I have this Samsung branded glass S10 Plus, and I'm going to wipe down all of the areas up here where there's glue residue, and I'll be very careful. This phone is off, and it's really interesting here. Like this is where the wireless charging is. It's pretty neat. Yeah, it's pretty cool. How it's just amazing how technology is. These are the camera sensors. It's pretty neat. I'll be right back. All right, so I wiped down the phone as best as I could. Let me do a little bit better. All right, so I did the best that I could. And now I'm gonna apply this. And it's on. It's gonna have to stay at home for a little bit while it cures. But my God, only 20 bucks. It's like brand new. All right, so I'm just gonna add some pressure to it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And that's how you, I know it's not super, but this is what the kit came with. I know it's not super detailed, but this is all the stuff that the kit came with. You can get it on Amazon. Came with this little suction cup, which is what I used to kind of lift up the glass a little bit. And when I did, I noticed that there was a spot down here where I could shove this like guitar pick style, well, pick into it and then work my way around, and it was as easy as that. I didn't need to use any heat or anything. This was such a piece, dude. Oh, okay, that's enough. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Uh, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, give me a call, or not give me a call. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Um, I'm gonna keep adding pressure to this so that way it stays, or it glues, or I guess you would call it, whatever you want to say. It adheres to the phone. But yeah, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to answer any and all questions. Thanks so much. Have a good day.